So I love tea as much as the next person. But tea that makes you feel better? Absolutely. Because I had a nagging cough, and then someone introduced me to Mullein Treasures Tea by Tea Facto. They said it takes about 24 hours. And then you start coughing up the nastiness. I brewed one of these tea bags. About 24 hours later, I started hacking up a lung. My cough went away. Does it seem too good to be true? Yeah. But once I tried it myself, I was impressed. 1 cup of Mullein Treasures Tea a day gets the mucus out, replaces the nasty mucus with good mucus, and makes you start feeling better. So if you have a nagging and persistent cough, go to TikTok shop right now and get yourself Tea Facto Mullein Treasures Tea. Start feeling better. It's that simple.